Good morning. We start the topic pair of straight lines. First introduction. Equation of a line is x plus by plus c is equal to 0. In that x and y are variables and a, b, c are the real numbers. In that a and b not simultaneously 0. Suppose our line is passing through the origin, then equation of a line becomes x plus by is equal to 0. In that there is no constant term because this line passing through the origin. So our general equation of a line is x plus by plus c is equal to 0 and the line passing through the origin, then equation of a line becomes x plus by is equal to 0. Next, slope of a line. We calculate the slope of a line by using two formulas. M is denoted by slope of a line. Then slope of a line is form of the slope of a line is M is equal to tan theta. When inclination of a line is given, then slope of a line is M is equal to tan theta. When 2 points are given, then slope of a line is M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Suppose our line passing through the two given points. Suppose P x1 y1 Q x2 y2, then slope of a line is M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. In that x2 not equal to x1. Okay, this is slope of a line. Next, equation of a line. We know that there are two axes. This is y axis and this is x axis. Suppose we have to draw a line parallel to x axis. Suppose we have to draw a line parallel to x axis, then equation of this line becomes y is equal to b. In that this b is also real number, this is positive or negative depending on the line above the x-axis or below the x-axis. Suppose line parallel to x-axis and above the x-axis, then equation of a line becomes y is equal to b. Suppose if line is parallel to x-axis and below the x-axis, then b is negative. Then equation of a line is y is equal to minus b. This one. Next, equation of a line parallel to y-axis. Suppose equation of a line, suppose line is parallel to y-axis, then equation of a line is x is equal to a. Also this a is real number depending on the line left side or right side of the y-axis. Suppose our line is right side of the y-axis, then equation is x is equal to a. And if this line is left side of the y-axis, then equation is x is equal to minus a. This a plus a minus a plus b minus b depending on the quadrant of the xy plane. We know the quadrant. There are four quadrants: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant or fourth quadrant. Then in first quadrant there are x coordinate and y coordinate, both are positive. In second quadrant x negative and y coordinate is positive. In third quadrant x and y both coordinates are negative. In fourth quadrant, x coordinate is positive, y coordinate is negative. So these are lines parallel to x axis and y axis. Then equation of a line, equation of x axis. Equation of x axis is y is equal to 0 and equation of y axis is x is equal to 0. See, equation of x axis is y is equal to 0. Equation of y axis is x is equal to 0. Okay. Next is standard forms. We have to calculate the equation of line. So there are some standard forms to calculate the equation of line. First is slope intercept form. Slope intercept form is y is equal to mx plus c. In that, m is the slope of a line and c is y-intercept. Second standard form is slope point form. Suppose we have to given one point and slope, then slope point form is y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1, where x1, y1, these point of coordinates passing through the point and m is slope of a line. M slope of a line and x1, y1 the coordinates of given points. Next is third point, double two-point form. Suppose we give 2 points, then 2-point form is y minus y1 divided by y1 minus y2 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x1 minus x2. If we give 2 points, 2 point of coordinates passing through the point line, then we have to calculate the equation of a line by using this form. Y minus y1 divided by y1 minus y2 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x1 minus x2. Next form is double intercept form. When we give 2 intercepts of the line, then we use the double intercept form to calculate the equation of line, which is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. In that, a is x intercept, b is y intercept. These are standard forms. Suppose 2 lines are parallel to each other, then equation of a lines are same. Suppose 2 lines or many lines are parallel to each other, then equation of lines, these lines are same. Because inclination of these lines are same, so equation becomes same. But two lines are perpendicular to each other, then product of the slopes of the lines is -1. What we talk, suppose two lines are perpendicular to each other, then the product of the slopes is -1. So equation of the lines are different.